In this video, we're diving into how to use AI in TeamGate CRM, and I'm going to show you exactly how AI can level up your workflow in a matter of minutes. If you're looking for a way to boost productivity and automate key tasks, keep watching till the end. I've got some insider tips and a special offer that you don't want to miss. First up, let's talk about the AI-driven lead scoring feature in TeamGate. This tool uses machine learning to analyze your leads based on their past interactions and behaviors, allowing you to focus on the most promising prospects. The beauty of this AI is that it takes the guesswork out of sales, helping your team prioritize efforts where it matters most. No more sifting through hundreds of leads to figure out who's ready to buy. Next, let's look at AI-powered sales forecasting. With this feature, TeamGate helps predict your sales pipeline by analyzing historical data and current trends. Instead of making predictions based on gut feelings or inconsistent data, you get accurate, data-backed forecasts that can inform your strategy and decision-making. It's a game changer for sales managers who want to stay ahead of the curve. The third thing AI can do in TeamGate is streamline communication. Using natural language processing, TeamGate can automatically generate follow-up emails or chat messages based on previous conversations. This not only saves time, but also ensures your communication is consistent and timely. So, whether you're dealing with a customer on a slow Friday or during a busy Monday, the AI makes sure no important communication is missed. Now, let's talk about a powerful feature, AI-based reporting. It cuts through the clutter by analyzing your CRM data and presenting it in easy-to-understand visuals, making it simpler to see key performance indicators. You no longer need to waste time manually pulling reports or piecing together spreadsheets. The AI does the hard work, giving you actionable insights instantly. But there's a downside, too. While TeamGate's AI features are solid, they're not as customizable or advanced as some other CRMs out there. If you're looking for deep customization or more advanced predictive capabilities, TeamGate might not be the best fit. Their AI is good, but it's not quite as powerful or flexible as other tools on the market, especially when it comes to larger teams or more complex sales processes. And speaking of alternatives, while TeamGate's AI features are decent, there are other CRMs out there with even more powerful AI capabilities. If you want something that goes beyond lead scoring and basic forecasting, there are options that provide deeper insights and more automation. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Through the link in the description, you'll get access to an exclusive and extended free trial of TeamGate, so you can test it out for yourself. Plus, I've also added some alternatives that might be better suited for your needs and come with free trials as well. Whether you're just starting out or looking to scale your business, these alternatives are definitely worth considering. So, if you're ready to see how AI can transform your CRM experience, check out the link in the description for that exclusive offer and some amazing alternatives. Thanks for watching!